Welcome! MRG SMSI Events and Production proudly brings you a special day for a very special person here at SMSI. A known captain of a very prestigious and respected family here in StarMaker. A certified rockista and had been given recognition on his remarkable performance during concerts and events. Citations and appreciation flooded his walls given by different groups and family whom appreciate his vocal ability to belt out songs that truly signifies his talent as a performer. A musician, singer-songwriter in real life. Music had been his life for many years and still in the industry until now. According to him, he started singing when he was 7 years old and until now he still belonged to a band named Blacklisted. A certified SMSI and SMSI Music Academy coach of rock department. Aside from his busy schedule, he still managed to divide his time to mentor and share his talent to all his students. His passion to music delivers a good leadership and discipline to his student whom sometimes being Masungit or Grumpy is incorporated to his name by his co-coaches. A StarMaker Philippines top creator. He first joined the Magic 8 Elite wherein he showcased his ability to collaborate with the StarMaker top influencers and creators. Even top creator Alpha and Queen Elite boss Chach personally admire his voice. Later on, Captain Tekken joined the top creators Rockstar team, together with StarMaker's remarkable singers in the rock world of SM. His talent truly shines and ignites his passion to perform, and for the first time he won a Grand Champion title in Top Creators The Clash 6. And last night he made it again to the top in winning the Clash 9 wherein he sung an original song composed by our top creator Alpha, Dreamers of the Light. He will be the official singer of the Dreamers of the Light and given the copyright of the song under his name. But there is more. Last night Captain Tekken was personally invited by top creator Alpha Chech to be the voice behind her original song T Nigaf Hen Near Ration or Voice of Generation, another song copyrighted under his name. The blessing never stops to pour because October is truly his month to celebrate. Happy birthday, Captain Tekken! October 2nd is the best day ever, not just for him but also for SMSI. We the SMSI officials had prepared a simple celebration for him to celebrate his golden year.
Huwag mo sabihin yung wish mo, sa sa'yo lang yun.
Tara, mabawal. Sir.
And happy birthday! Open it! Open it! Open it na! Open it! Open it! May iyak yan. Happy birthday! We love you!
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm happy. This is my first time na nag-birthday ako kasama ko yung mga kapatid tao.
Happy birthday, Captain Tekken! We at SMSI is so blessed to have you and honored to be our Academy Rock head coach. We hope that this surprise birthday celebration for you will make you happy and blessed. Cheers to more years of happiness and success. Today we aim not just to bring you happiness, but also to make you cry. Here are some closest to you to greet you on your special day.
Okay, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kung anong oras man ma-receive to take in aking ang aking greetings ito sa ating napakabait at napaka-stricto pero mabait na anak ko sa SMSI, Captain Taken ng Huskies family. May have many more birthdays to come. At sana ipagpatuloy natin ang ating adikain, mission and vision ng SMSI, tulungan ang mga star mates para gumanda at gumaling sa pagkanta. So, once again, di na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa at magtatagal dahil dito sa trabaho ko baka abutan ako rito ng aking supervisor. So, isiningit ko lang to sa aking 2 minutes ba? O hindi pa, 1 minute pa lang. So, in behalf of SMSI, MRG SMSI, we'd like to greet once again Captain Taken of Huskies family. A happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. At sana'y mabigyan ka ng magandang biyaya at swerte sa mga darating pang araw para hindi ka mahirapan sa iyong hanap buhay at yung pang araw-araw na ating alam mo na yun, ating everyday life to save, to magsumikap para makaahon sa hirap. So, once again, good luck, good health, God bless us always.
Hello, Coach Taken. It's your birthday today, and I wish you more blessings to come, more blissful birthdays ahead of you. So, best of health, happiness, and good luck. Si Coach Taken po is my newly found friend here in Star Maker, especially here in SMSI. One of the best coaches ng academy. So, sa pagkakakilala ko po kay Coach Taken, he is very down-to-earth person. Simple but rock. Yan. Ang iba siguro, ang pagkakaalam kay Coach Taken, strict as coach, pero may malambot na puso yan. Coach Taken, we share the same language when it comes to coaching, and we share the same passion when it comes to music. So sana wag mong iiwan ang SMSI Music Academy. Kasi you are one of the best coach here in the academy. So enjoy your day. Isang taon na naman ang lumipas na nadagdag sa edad mo, pero you had joyful and happy journey within 12 months, di ba? So that's Coach Taken. Yun, wala na akong masabing iba. Happy birthday and good life. Good health, more blessings. God bless you more. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Coach Tek. Aba, tinan mo nga naman, nagbe-birthday ka pala. De, joke lang. Ayan, happy birthday, Coach Taken. Nako, ilang taon ka na ba? Ibulong mo na lang? Hindi. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Ano bang masasabi ko sa taong to? Parang wala. Hindi kasi, masungit. Masungit talaga siya. Noong first time na makilala ko talaga siya. When I was enrolled in Music Academy Batch 1 ng rock department. Sabi ko, ito ba yung magiging coach ko? Diyos ko, parang ayoko naman. Napakasungit. Hindi. Totoong tao lang talaga siya. Yun lang talaga yung ugali niya. Yung na-assess ko. Sabay pa, hindi. Alam niyo po, once nakilala niyo ang tao na to, si Coach Taken, no? Masasabi niyong totoo lang talagang tao siya. No? Yung totoong tao na madaling mainis, parang ako lang din, gano'n. Madaling masaktan. Pero yung may puso din namang mamon, ramdam namin yan. Ako, nung nalaman ko kay Sweet na birthday mo? Ang tanong ko, may birthday pala siya? May birthday pala siya, ganun. Hindi. Sabi ko, ano ba sasabihin ko dyan? Sasabihin ko lang naman ang sungit niya. Hindi, joke lang po. Yun yung usually kasi impression ng tao sa kanya dito sa Star Maker. Pero kami, since nakilala na namin siya at nakadaupang palad, yes, noong last year, at alam kong ngayon ay masusundan pa, doon ko naman naramdaman yung sinceridad niya, yung sincerity niya sa pagiging isang kaibigan. Well, judgmental lang naman tayo, sorry. Judgmental tayo. Kala natin masungit, pero once you get to know him, nako, napakabuti at napakabait na kaibigan. Isa siyang mapagmahal na anak sa kanyang magulang, sa kanyang pamilya, at sa kanyang mga anak. So, itong birthday mo na to, ang wish ko sa iyo, Coach Teken, sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sana yung inaasam at wini-wish ng iyong puso, Tagalog, ay makamtan mo kasi you deserve naman to be happy. Yung 5 mong girlfriend kasama ko, tandaan mo lang, pag kukuha ka ng makakasama mo habang buhay, kailangan dumaan siya sa aming mga kamay. Malinaw ba? The joke. Ayan, kami dito lang kami para sa'yo. Ayan, ako, si Sweet, lalo na, no, napaka-close mong kaibigan yan. Si Co-Captain Nor, syempre, si CCN. Ayan, si Jen, kasama na si Monica, at may Black MC. Yan ako mga girlfriend niya. Ako nagkabukingan. Ayan, kami po yung mga angels niya na andito lang para dumamay at gumabay sa kanya. Kasi mahal na mahal namin yan. Yes! Mahal namin yan kahit ang sungit-sungit niya. And joke lang talaga. Ang wish ko sa'yo, kung ano yung nais ng puso mo. Mag-asawa ka na. Hindi ko ano yung nais ng puso mo. Yung maging masaya ka. Kasi yun lang naman ang gusto naming mga kaibigan mo para sa'yo. At si Dad, nandiyan din yan as bilang tatay mo na din, no? Na handang makinig and umagapay sa ating lahat dito na anak niya dito sa Star Maker. So, ako, masaya ako kasi nakilala kita. Nakilala ko yung Coach Teken sa tunay na buhay. Hindi man lahat, pero ramdam ko naman yung friendship po natin. So, ayan, happy birthday po sa'yo. Naway maging maligaya ka sa araw na to. Naway, wag mo kaming awayin. Di mo ko aawayin, masasaktan ka. Ayan, sana yun lang, mapasaya ka namin sa simpleng selebrasyon na malaman mo na inaalala ka namin at hindi ka namin syempre pwedeng kalimutan. Isa ka sa kapatid namin dito sa Star Maker na talaga namang very valuable. Ayun, ako, Coach Teke, kung ano nasabi ko dito, pero happy birthday sa iyo. We wanted you to know that we love you and I love you so much as a friend, syempre. Ayan, nandito lang kami para sa iyo. Isang message lang, andyan na. Sana ikaw din, pag na-message, sumagot ka, ha? Hindi, joke. Nagalit pa. So, happy birthday sa iyo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo and we love you so much.
Hello, Coach Teken. This is my heart ko. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. Enjoy your day. Sana malasing mo sila. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Bulaga! Happy birthday sa iyo, Bro Teken, ang aking kapatid na mamaw, halimaw sa mga rakrakan na isa sa hinahangaan ko dito mula noon hanggang ngayon dito sa Star Maker. Talagang tambay ako dito sa PR niya. Doon sa Husky Spam nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. Isa siya sa iniidolo ko talaga dito sa Star Maker. Sa iyo, sa aking kapatid Teken, maligayang kaarawan. Sana humaba pang at iyong buhay at dahil marami pang nangangailangan at para marami ka pang matuturuan sa malarangan ng musika dito sa mundo ng SM. God bless you more and happy birthday. Bawal marupok dahil ang mga rakista daw ay marupok. Yan, matapang lang yan sila pag kumakanta. Kami pala, pero mga marupok ang mga puso namin. Bro, let's rock! Happy birthday! God bless you more!
Only legend knows. Happy birthday, Utol Teken. Yeah. Rock the world! SMSI.
Happy birthday po, Coach Tekken. May God bless you with human joys as well as heavenly blessings, and may God grant your heart's desire. More birthdays to come, more healthy years to celebrate, and most especially, more happy scholars to produce. Enjoy your special day with your loved ones po. Once again, happy birthday, Coach Tekken. This is Anne from your Magic 8 Elite and Top Creators PH fam.
Hello everyone, SMSI, Captain Archie here. I would like to wish a happy birthday to our head coach of the rock department, Captain Tekken. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo, and sana tuloy-tuloy po pa rin kayo sa SMSI Academy sa pagtuturo, at hopefully that will be my last journey sa academy. So see you po pag pagka-graduate ko dito sa sa pop department. Ayun, happy birthday, and wish you the best, Coach Tekken. Thank you very much.